This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses and other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 01123978046 and 01123971075. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the government will examine possible ways to extend support to Mendipathar College in North Garo Hills district. Mendipathar College is the oldest and the only college in North Garo Hills established in 1971. At the Golden Jubilee celebration of the college yesterday, the Chief Minister said the MDA government is committed to streamline the education sector as has been alleged prior to the 2018 elections. As vowed soon after taking over, he said that the government formalized the state education policy and has been working to fulfill the mandate to streamline the education sector. The Chief Minister said this year itself 100 crore rupees were sanctioned for improving the overall infrastructure in around 200 government lower primary schools. He said that the government has been spending over 2,000 crore rupees annually for the education sector, but it was not enough. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that a host of decisions were taken during a review meeting with elementary and secondary education departments yesterday. These include merging all lower primary and nearby medium English schools, SEBA and AHSEC, elementary and secondary education departments, among others. The Chief Minister tweeted that it was also decided to convert all high schools into higher secondary schools. The Border Security Force clarified that it has not been given any new power except increasing its jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers along the international border in West Bengal, Assam and Punjab. ADG of BSF Eastern Command W.Y.B. Khurania yesterday said the force neither has investigating power nor can lodge any FIR. Whoever is apprehended during a border search or seizure is handed over to the local police for further proceedings. He also stated that BSF maintains a cordial relation with local police and this will continue in the future. In Meghalaya, the district administration has permitted 100% ply of private and public transport in East Khasi Hills district within the curfew relaxation hours from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. from today. An order issued by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills district yesterday stated that the driver should clearly indicate the vaccination status on the vehicle and wearing of double mask or N95 is mandatory. In case of persons travelling in any private car, wearing of double mask or N95 is also mandatory. Use of sanitizers is mandatory and all public transport authorities shall strictly enforce COVID-19 appropriate behavior and seating inside the vehicles. Care should be taken at all times by drivers and passengers to ensure no breach of control and protocols. Violation of any norms and advisories will be liable for action as per law by the appropriate authority. In Assam, the Board of Secondary Education has declared the special exam result for the High School Leaving Certificate and High Madrasa. The special exam was conducted mainly for the students who were unsatisfied with their marks. A new scheme was implemented by SEBA wherein students would be judged on the basis of an internal assessment keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic. A total of 22,836 students had applied for the HSLC and AHM Special Exams 2021. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.